Most people think entrepreneurs succeed because of intelligence or money. History shows it's something else.
At a business club, someone asked the simple question, what should an entrepreneur learn? Not marketing tools, not frameworks. 3 qualities: openness to the new, discipline, and boldness.
In 1960, a Swedish entrepreneur faced collapse. Suppliers boycotted him for demanding lower prices. His company stood on the edge of bankruptcy. That entrepreneur was Ingvar Kamprad, and the company was IKEA.
Kamprad didn't negotiate harder. He reimagined the system. He moved production to socialist Poland, cheaper labor, fewer suppliers, lower costs. Where others saw political risk, he saw structural opportunity.
Poland had chaos, no infrastructure, weak legal protection, no investor guarantees. Discipline meant building process where none existed. Systems beat environments. Doing business with communists during the Cold War was seen as betrayal. The Berlin Wall was being built. The Cuban Missile Crisis loomed. Kamprad ignored reputation risk. He cared about reality, not opinion. That decision transformed IKEA from a local Swedish company into the world's largest furniture retailer. Psychologists say these 3 traits define innovators and pioneers. I'd argue they define successful entrepreneurs too. Not intelligence, not charisma, inventiveness, discipline, boldness. Most people have discipline. Very few have inventiveness. Even fewer have boldness. And without those 2, discipline just maintains mediocrity. Real businesses aren't built by following rules. They're built by those willing to rethink systems and act despite discomfort.